Hello friends, I'm so excited today. I just finished a project and wanted to share with you all right away. So here it is. I made this cute little mini album and it is in a box. So it's really a mini album and I have made this box for it, and it's a cascading mini album. So for the box, I just um, decorated the front with a dimensional sticker and tied a ribbon around the box to keep it close. And let's open it up. So there you go. I have glued the ribbon underneath so you will not lose it. So here is the back and the top. I double matted the pattern paper on black cardstock and made the box with craft cardstock. So let's open it, and here it is, as you can see. So let's see. This album is 3 by 3 inches, a square album, and has 6 pages to it, and it's a cascading mini album. You'll know in a minute what I mean. So let's see. This is the front of the cover, and inside you have 2 pages, so you can either stick a picture or maybe write a note or something. Here I have made a small label, and inside that I have this 2 cute little tucks that you can tuck in, and they are plain on the back, so you could write a note or some dates or something like that. And this is the next. It's plain, so you could stick pictures on this one. And here on this I made a small belly band decorated with some rhinestones, and inside that is a teeny tiny postcard, so you could write something on it, some special date or note or something like that. And the next is again plain to stick some more pictures. And on this side I have attached this small label to write a note, and this is the last, and each page has a pocket to it. So inside there is a this glittered mat which is glittered on both the sides, shimmer kind of paper, and it's lightweight, so you could lay pictures on both the side and it will fit perfectly inside like this. And so this album does a special thing, and it's this. So it cascades like so. Can you see that? This is what I mean when I say cascading mini album. I totally enjoyed making this, and I'm planning to make some more just like them with some varieties, maybe small or big or something like that. And this album fits right inside the box, very tight and snug. And here we close the lid, and we can tie the ribbon. I made this as a Valentine project, and I know it's too late for making a album. I wouldn't have finished a full-fledged bigger album, so I decided to make something smaller like this. So hope you all like this, and I will be right back with another video. Bye.